Are you a die-hard NFL fan still earning your degree? Well, good news, getting your football fix just became way more affordable thanks to the NFL Sunday Ticket student deal on YouTube TV. I'm about to show you how to sign up for access to every regular season out-of-market Sunday game on CBS and Fox all season long for only $109. That's right. For the price of a single pay-per-view game, you'll get an entire season of unlimited action. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Alright, college football fans, listen up. Here's an insider scoop on how you can score huge savings to watch every Sunday game this season. While most apps will be shelling out $300 to the man, thanks to YouTube TV, we blessed students only have to drop a measly $109. That's right, just over 100 bucks. But it gets better. Add the legendary Red Zone channel for an extra tenner and you'll never miss any touchdowns nationwide. No longer will your buddies be able to spoil scores before you see them. All you gotta do is head to youtube.com, log in with your .edu email, and let sheer disbelief do their thing to verify your student status. Once approved, you'll be living the good life with bottomless Sunday bliss. The best part? You can get it all on any device, so no more crowded bars or sketchy streams. Throw on a game while you hammer out that essay due at midnight like a true multitasker. Let's break down the perks of this plan. Are you a die-hard New England Patriots fan stuck in the windy city of Chicago? Worry not, you can catch all the Sunday Pats games not shown in your local market right on your device. While the student plan doesn't cover preseason games, postseason games, and locally and nationally broadcast games, it still offers a football-filled season to keep you on the edge of your seat. The only rule of the game here is that the student plans do not include family sharing, meaning you get one signed-in device and one concurrent stream at a time. So, students, gear up for an adrenaline-pumping NFL season right at your fingertips with the NFL Sunday Ticket student plan. Let's get the ball rolling, and to sign up for NFL Student Ticket, I'll explain it all right here. So let me walk you through exactly how to sign up so you can start watching football ASAP. First things first, you'll need to meet the basic eligibility requirements. Firstly, be at least 18 years old. So, sorry undergrads, you'll have to find another way to procrastinate from your homework. Be actively enrolled in an accredited college or university. No slacking off, they'll want proof that you're hitting the books hard. And of course, be located in the US of A. Unfortunately, our international pals can't join in on the fun this time. Sign up before the season starts so you never miss a minute of the action. And trust me, graduates, once you go discounted NFL, you'll never go back to paying full price again. Now with those basics covered, let's jump into the step-by-step sign-up process. So head to youtube.com on your laptop, desktop, or mobile browser. No Googling allowed for this treasure trove of games. On the homepage, look for and select the Get NFL Sunday Ticket option. It should be prominently displayed at the top. Sign in with your Google account when prompted, and make sure to use an email you'll remember for later verification steps. Below the package listings, choose eligible students can save with a student plan. This will route you to the discounted pricing. Now it's time for verification. If you've done this dance before, you may be instantly approved. Newbies though, prep your student ID, select continue to start verifying your status with Sheer ID, and it's our third-party eligibility checker. Enter your name, birthday, school info, and select verify my student status. And cross your fingers. If all checks out, you'll see a sweet success message. But some may require uploading additional documents as proof, like your student ID, schedule, or tuition receipt. This step earns you bonus angst points. And within 20 minutes or 48 hours for international schools, look for a verification email. Select the continue link to return to your purchase. And choose if you want Red Zone added on for extra footage. Then breeze through payment to secure your slots. Kick back and check your email for a confirmation receipt, and booyah, you just did it. So let's break down exactly what you're signing up for. First things first, this baby is a one-time purchase only. Don't even think about trying to spread those payments over months like some fancy schmancy regular subscriber. the student rate of $109, or $119 if you want the holy grail that is Red Zone, is due upfront before kickoff. Also, don't try playing the system by pulling out coupons or discounts. The student price is already way cheaper than other plans, so no double dipping allowed. As for your streaming situation, don't expect to be able to host massive watch parties. With the student package, you only get one stream at a time, so no Football Sunday socials for your whole dorm. Sharing logins is also a no-go, so no slacking and letting your buddy watch in your place during midterms. Sadly, YouTube is your only option to sign up to. No mobile apps or cable providers allowed. So make sure you use a computer browser to secure your slots before they're gone. And when the season ends, your membership ain't renewing automatically like some premium service. You'll have to repurchase next year if you're still busting those academic booties to qualify. Oh, and one last thing to note, no refunds. Once you pull that payment trigger, the NFL's got you by the wallet straps. But hey, for a cheap ticket to countless games on any device, these student terms are still a sweet deal if you ask me. Now who's ready for some football? Are you ready to crush some natty lights and chaos some Sundays? Student ticket, you're still the real MVP. Now that you're signed up for NFL Sunday Ticket for Students, here are some perks you'll enjoy all season long. And that's all it takes to score this awesome deal. Let me know if you have any other questions. Now go celebrate with some Sunday football. You've earned it. And see you all in the fall for some great action and happy streaming. So, I hope this guide helps you sign up for the ultimate deal to watch the NFL on Sunday this season. Be sure to smash that like button if you found this video useful. And don't forget to subscribe to Richest Sports and ring that notification bell so you never miss any future football fan tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any other questions. And have a great rest of your semester.
Trouble, throws on the run, and he's got a completion.
Stay tuned here for more football fun, and as always, thanks for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.
Touchdown. Nothing. Chiefs. Why don't we check in with Kurt?